To trade perpetual contracts, you will need an Axiom Pro account. Once you have this account, you can begin trading by navigating to the Perpetuals section. However, it's essential to note that the only balance you can hold on Axiom is in Solana. So you will first need to convert your Solana into USDC. This can be done by clicking the Convert option and selecting the amount of Solana you wish to exchange for USDC, after which you can confirm the conversion. With your USDC, you can then proceed to trade perpetual contracts by selecting the desired asset, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, and choosing between a market or limit order, as well as deciding whether to go long or short. You can also adjust your leverage and set take profit or stop loss orders if desired. Once your funds are in place, you can start buying and selling. And that's the basic process for trading perpetual contracts on Axiom.